Okay, we are going to take a look at question number 24 on the quadratic and exponential functions problem set, and that is this one right here. It looks like it is a quadratic function and that we are solving for the specific value of the x-intercepts or the zeros or the roots. Alright, so the first thing that I notice is that this particular equation is set up not in either standard form nor in vertex form. What we're actually going to do though is we're going to look for ways to solve for x specifically. So I notice that x is part of a quantity that is being squared and that we are multiplying by 3 on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and just write this equation off to the side. And the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and divide both sides of the equation by 3. So divide both sides by 3. And what I have now is x minus 4 quantity squared equals 9. Alright, well the next thing I'm going to do is notice that I am squaring a quantity and I also have a perfect square. So the next thing I will do is go ahead and take the square root of both sides of the equation. This leaves me with x minus 4 and I have plus or minus 3 on the right hand side of the equation. From here, all I really need to do is go ahead and add 4 to both sides of the equation, and I have isolated x on the left-hand side. Okay, I cleaned up and made some space on the screen. It looks like I have x equals 4 plus or minus 3. So at this point, I'm going to split this out so that I can see both values of x. For the first value, I'm going to have x equals 4 plus 3. And for the second value, I'm going to have x equals 4 minus 3. So this will be x equals 7. And x equals 1, and this corresponds with answer choice number 1, the first one.